Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Yadav and I am a BTech Computer Science Engineering student. Today I will be introducing about Amazon Bedrock, one of the most exciting artificial intelligence service offered by AWS. In this presentation, I will be explaining about what is Amazon Bedrock is, how it is work, its key features and some of the real world applications. By the end of this presentation, you will be having a clear understanding of why Amazon Bedrock becoming an important service for building modern AI applications. Before Amazon Bedrock, building generative AI application was a challenging process. Training a large AI model from scratch requires huge dataset, expensive GPU resources, advanced machine learning expertise, and several months of development. This makes it difficult for the many developers and organizations. Amazon Bedrock removed this complexity and it is fully managed by AWS services, provided access to the most powerful foundation models through just simple APIs. Instead of training model by yourself, you can just simply choose the model, send your prompt, receive an AI generated response. This allows developers to spend more time on building and innovating application instead of managing infrastructure or training models. Now let's understand how Amazon Bedrock works. The workflow is simple. A user sends a prompt through an application such as chatbot or web application. The application sends this request to the Amazon Bedrock by using API. The, Be- the Bedrock securely routes the request to the selected foundation model such as Claude, Llama, Amazon Nova, or other models. Finally, Amazon Bedrock returns to the response and back to the application, which is then displayed to the user. Behind the scene, AWS automatically manages scalability, security, availability, and infrastructure. So developers don't have to worry about servers or GPUs. One of the biggest advantages is flexibility. Developer can choose multiple leading AI models instead of being locked into one provider. Different models are optimized for tasks such as text generation, coding, image generation, or summarizing. Bedrock offers several powerful features. It is serverless, so AWS handles infrastructure. Developers can choose multiple AI models, integrate them through APIs, customize model by own data, and implementation of RAG by more accurate responses, and relying on the AWS built-in security and scalability. Amazon Bedrock enables organizations to build intelligent systems, applications across the many industries. Example, including a customer support chatbots, documentary summarization, coding assistants, AI tutors, recommendation systems, and healthcare assistants, and business intelligence solutions. To conclude, Amazon Bedrock simplifies the development of generative AI application by providing secure access to the powerful foundation models without requiring developers to manage complex infrastructures. Thank you for watching. I hope this presentation gave you a clear understanding of Amazon Bedrock.